Great news! Intellerator is now on the Sage 200 price list. But what does this mean? As the only business intelligence tool on the Sage price list, Intellerator is endorsed and available directly from Sage. Available through Sage channels, simplifying billing and licensing for partners, and seamlessly integrated with Sage 200. So, what is Intellerator? Intellerator is the one and only suite of Microsoft Power BI dashboards for Sage 200 that offers robust, interactive financial reports. With Intellerator, you can report across all your Sage 200 companies, dynamically filter by simply clicking on a chart, drill down to view the exact transactions that make up the dashboard, access your dashboards from your browser, tablet, or mobile, and create your own Power BI dashboards or have us tailor your dashboards to your needs. Ask us more now on our live chat on our website. Or get in touch today at 020-88-610-610 and let us help you take your accounting and ERP systems to the next level. To learn more about Intellerator, click here, and to see who we are, click here. Connect with us on LinkedIn and X to stay updated with the latest news. You can also contact us by emailing sales@codis.co.uk. And for more information, visit our website, codis.co.uk.